Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Lens on iPhone. So at first go to your App Store, go to search option, search here. You need to first install your Google Chrome. So I'm already installed my Google Chrome. No need to, I'm not update right now. So go back. So open my Google Chrome. So look here, showing it to camera option. Just press on, then I'm get this option. You just scan anything like any object and scan this. Okay, press on this option. Okay, now it's scanning this pen and show result. So look here, this pen and this pen same to same. Okay, or if you want to use another from your gallery photo, like select and then showing here this result. If you want to crop any area and then showing here more result. So that's how you can easily use this.